What's up? Beautiful day today in Des Moines, Iowa. I'll tell you guys how I fit these 26s on the back of my truck without having to cut the bed. Got them tucking real good. Got 22s in the front. And I've only used parts off of Amazon. I did a flip kit with the notch. It's a bolt-on kit. And I have these hangers right there. I used to have longer hangers, but they ended up being too long. So I got these ones. I think these ones are like stock almost. Pretty much. Maybe just 1 inch or 2 inches bigger than the stock. I have these shocks right here, and there's a little bracket that you can use to drop down the shock on its mounting point. And these are the air shocks. I also got these on Amazon. Right now it's fully aired out. It's all the way down, so now it sits level. I used to have 22s on the back as well, but it just didn't fill up the wheel well like I liked it. And when I fully aired it out, it was way too low on the back, so it wasn't sitting even. Talking about airing out, all your truck beds on the OBS have a little drain hole right here for moisture. And this is how I air it up right here. I just hook up a little portable pump. I air it up to 150, and I speed off those handheld battery-powered air pumps. But yeah, that's how it is. What the heck? Why's my camera going off? And then these are 26 by 9.5. And yeah, I had the tires on them. The tires that I had on were 305s, and they kind of stuck out a little bit. So when I laid it down, I discovered all this rust right here. But it's a good thing. I go ahead and fix that. The paint's gonna be the last thing I do on this thing. And then you can see it. I can fit a piece of paper in there. So I'm planning on cutting from here, maybe a little over 1/4 inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch, all the way over to meet up with this little hole. And I am gonna have to have tires like this. These are 255 30 22. They make 255 30 26, and you see how that tire is a little bit of a stretch on there, not too much. The tire goes in, it doesn't go past the wheel. The actual rim itself, the wheel itself, tucks in. That's exactly what it's gonna fit like on this one. Real low profile, but still plenty of protection there. I can get thinner tires, but I don't want thinner tires. I want them to kind of match the tires on this. So yeah. In the next video I'm gonna make a parts list. I'm gonna wait till it warms up a little bit though. It's kind of cold out here. You know, I don't really feel like getting all up onto the truck, but it's come a long way since I first got it. But everything determined, every part that I get off of it, I get it from Amazon. Yeah, it's pretty dope. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I kind of want to make it so that I can put a little switch inside and kind of air it up and dump it. But I've yet to find the parts that I actually need for that. Thinking like a 3-way valve or something with a dump on it, And I have a little tank behind the seat or something. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm getting the tires in on Friday, so I'll update you guys this weekend sometime.